warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sofyan Raja Herbawan from class 7B. I want to describe about Raja Ampat. Raja Ampat is a destination located at the Fukil Coast of West Papua, Indonesia. This is one of the best tourist attractions in Indonesia, even better than Bali Islands. Raja Ampat consists of 4 islands clustered between Papua and Sulawesi Islands. This is the reason why Raja Ampat is also called as the Four Kings. The 4 islands are Waigeo, Batanta, Salawati, and Mysol Islands. According to Conservation International and LIPI, there are at least 540 types of corals in Raja Ampat, alongside more than 1,000 fish and 700 mollusk species. According to Prosperous University, Raja Ampat is the top alone of the best living sites in the world. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.